You don't need art skills, just basic materials and a few quiet minutes.
Hello and welcome. Today we are drawing Nag Mandala in Madhubani style. In Madhubani art, a serpent represents perfection, cosmic energy, and cycle of life. So draw with me or simply watch and relax. Let's begin by drawing the border first on all the four sides. I'm drawing them in pair. Then we'll move to the lower portion of the sheet and start adding spirals using black and shades of blue color. We'll start with adding the spirals first. Flowing spiral shapes to represent the water waves. Some spirals are thicker, some spirals are lighter. Just let the lines flow naturally. Inside the water, we'll add small fishes. They appear as if they are peeking out of the water. Just small shapes with light detailing. Color the entire water area with the shades of blue. Spirals remain visible to show movement of the water. We'll begin drawing the serpent, starting with the first curve. We'll add curves on the right and left hand side to form the head. Then extend the neck downwards until it touches the water surface. Now divide the neck and the five heads with just small curved semicircles and adding lotus on the base of it. Lotus brings balance to the composition. Divide the neck into five separate heads. These curved forms spread outwards just like a fan. Draw the lower portion of the snake's body. It appears partly inside the water. Only the end of the tail is visible on the right hand side. Begin darkening up the snake and the lotus with ink. This step clarifies the structure before detailing. Inside of each five heads, draw small heart shapes. These simple shapes add decorative rhythm. Then darken it up once you feel the lines are perfect. Then darken up all the five hearts, which forms the snake's face. Add small crown above the heads. Then draw simple circular eyes, one circle on the outside and another circle on the inside. Decorate the snake's body with two parallel lines on the inside and add small semicircle patterns. Just darken it up. This is the detailing for the snake. These patterns create traditional Madhubani texture. Also the lower portion of the snake, adding another line. Adding forked tongue to the snake, small detail that brings character for the red color. With the same red color, I'm going to add the crown. Crown is colored in red. The color adds a bright focal point, also decorating the lotus with red, starting with the flower designing. Gentle patterns inside the petals of the lotus makes a beautiful focal point. Then using green color, light green and darkest green shade for the snake, I have added scales in the center and the outer snakes and colored it up completely for the center snakes. For the lower portion of the snake, we are going to use the same dark green color to add the Madhubani flower first with outer linings. Fill the shapes slowly and evenly. I'm adding lines and then a few petals once again. So go on extending the pattern. These repeating shapes create beautiful texture on the whole snake's body. See how I'm repeating the flowers, the scales alternatively, coloring up the lower body with the green once again. The background we are going to decorate it with small flowers. These flowers we'll color it red. This is the beautiful detailing for the background. Now darken the outer outline of the entire snake. This helps the figure stand out clearly. Finally, fill the whole background with yellow color and notice how beautifully the green serpent stands out. With this, we complete our artwork and now it is time for Mandala Trataka. So look softly at the finished artwork. In Madhubani art, serpent represents protection, energy and transformation. Let your eyes move slowly across the patterns and colors. Breathe in gently and breathe out. If this felt calming, please like, share and subscribe and I'll see you in the next session. Bye bye.